This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for November 26, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 1.38 points or 0.33% to 414.02. Total trade volume was down with 37,027 shares changing hands at a total value of 202 million real or over $50,000. On the main board, 5 stocks were up. Leading the market was Pestec Cambodia, up 3.37% or 90 real to 2,760 real per share, followed by MJQ Education, which rose 0.51% or 10 real to 1,990 real per share. Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, Akleda Bank, and Cam GSM were also up. On the other hand, Phnom Penh Autonomous Port was down 0.44% or 60 real to 13,700 real per share, followed by Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, which dropped 0.16% or 20 real to 12,320 real per share. The remaining 2 stocks on the main board stayed flat. Over on the growth board, DVD Engineering was up 0.94% or 20 real to 2,150 real per share, while JS Land dropped 1.49% or 40 real to 2,650 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 14,029 shares changing hands at a total value of 98 million real or over $24,000, approximately 38% of the total trade volume on Wednesday. Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 8,520 shares changing hands at a total value of 53 million real or over $13,000, about 23% of the total trade volume on November 26th. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD strengthened slightly to 4,008 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 99.82. Looking at global commodities, oil prices climbed on Wednesday after sliding to a 1-month low in the previous session, though an expected supply glut and a potential Russia-Ukraine peace deal capped gains. Brent crude futures rose 27 cents or 0.43% to $62.75 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures gained 24 cents or 0.41% to $58.19 a barrel. Gold touched a near 2-week high after U.S. economic data bolstered expectations of an interest rate cut by the U.S. Federal Reserve in December and weighed on the dollar. Spot gold rose 0.7% to $4,156.89 per ounce, its highest since November 14th. U.S. gold futures for December delivery were up 0.4% at $4,154.10 per ounce. U.S. stock futures rose on Wednesday, with Wall Street looking to add to back-to-back sharp gains to lead into the holiday trading shutdown. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Dow Jones Industrial Average futures climbed 0.3%, while those on the S&P 500 moved up 0.4%, and contracts on the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 popped 0.5%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for November 26th.